Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Dreame L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. Now, Dreame did send me this unit for an honest close-up review, but as always, I'll be sharing my real experiences and tests. This is Dreame's new flagship, packed with features like 19.5 thousand pascals of suction, auto-emptying, mop self-cleaning with hot water, and advanced obstacle navigation. It's marketed as the Conquer Steps Clean Without Limits robot, and after testing it, I can say it really holds up. To start, we went old school messy. We dumped handfuls of chocolate Rice Krispies cereal across all over the carpet, and the L50 Ultra picked up about 99% of it in one pass. Now, that's thanks to the Vormax suction, which is 19.5 pascals, as I mentioned, and it's extremely powerful. Unlike some robots that scatter debris, this one pulls everything in cleanly. One of my favorite features is that it actually detects dirtier areas. Dreame calls this the Omni-Dirt Detection Technology 2.0, and if the robot senses grime or heavier mess, you can have it circle back and re-clean just that area. It feels smarter than a random run and almost like it's problem solving as it goes along. Next, we tested Dreame's Pro Leap system. Now, the marketing says it can climb up to 6 centimeters, which is about 2.36 inches on a double layer threshold. Now, to push it, we put down a full 2x4 wooden stud, and it climbed right over it without hesitation. For anyone with uneven floors, door tracks, or transitions, this is a big deal. Pet owners will love this one. Dreame's HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush is designed to eliminate tangled hair. The dual brush system, part TPU rubber, part bristle nylon, combined with its air duct, literally flings hair into the suction stream. In testing, it managed long strands without wrapping them around the roller. That means less maintenance and no more cutting out hair by hand. Corners are always tough for robot vacuums. The L50 Ultra uses side reach and mop extend robo-swing technologies to fix that. The brushes extend out and even lift while the mop twists into edges and corners. Watching it slide under our kitchen island and along baseboards, it picked up way more than the average all-around robot. Now let's talk maintenance, or really the lack of it. The Power Dock handles auto-emptying for up to 100 days with this 3.2 liter dust bag. The mop cleans itself with 75 degrees Celsius hot water, or about 167 Fahrenheit, and then dries with hot air to prevent mildew or odors. Dreame also added the Ace Clean dry board, which uses 20 spray nozzles to wash itself. After a week of testing, I found almost no residue or smell. This is what makes the L50 Ultra feel truly hands-off. The AI is smarter this generation. The upgraded obstacle avoidance uses 3D structured light to dodge cords, shoes, and even pet bowls or litter boxes. And it was also able to weave in and out of our dining chairs with no issues, something that usually trips up other robots. There's also a pet zone mode to clean around or avoid pet areas, and even a pet finding mode with photo capture. Add in Matter protocol support, and it integrates right into a smart home setup. After all our tests, from the chocolate cereal mess to climbing over that 2x4 to handling hair and keeping itself clean, the Dreame L50 Ultra really delivers. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want a robo vacuum and mop that doesn't just clean but actually takes care of itself, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.